is an interesting thing because I was doing a Reddit thing the other day where we were, and a 17-year-old gets on and asks me, he's like, you know, I'm in this weird space. All my friends have had sex. Should I just do it and get it out of the way, or should I wait for someone special? So, you know, it's interesting because we should all be waiting for someone special. I mean, you know, having sex the first time, studies show that if you do it in a positive environment and you have good memories of it, then you tend to have a positive sex life after that.
But tell us about this survey that we were discussing. What was it?
That only
3%
of Americans are still chaste or have not had sex. So most of us
by the age 18.
By age 18.
Which I thought,
I don't believe
I don't
that
buy that.
man.
I mean,
it's got to be higher than that.
But if it's 3%, then I guarantee you most people are not having the experience that you're prescribing because, you know, let's just call a spade a spade. When you're young, you don't really know what you're looking for. You don't know what you're doing. And so, to me, I just wanted 3%. I mean, if any teenager
I wasn't one of those.
There's absolutely nothing wrong with not having sex when you're a teenager.
Yeah.
But
and I waited till I was married.
Did you?
Yeah, I was. I got married I was 21 when I got married, you know, just out of college.
For those who are listening and are thinking about having sex the first time, there's a couple things that they should keep in mind. First of all, you do want to know your partner's sexual history. Do they have any STDs? Do they have HIV? That's very important.
How do you go about that?
You can't just ask them because
hey,
people
do you have
lie.
HIV? I mean, come on.
You go together. You go together. You can test together. I always advocate that you really want to see the results because it's very easy to be like, I just went last week.
Oh, sure. Oh, I've been tested. I'm good.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So they make things up. Another thing that you want to make sure is that you're comfortable. Fear makes it a very difficult sexual experience. So being comfortable in a space where you're not nervous, where you're not fearful is really important. A third thing that you want to do is really spend time and ask yourself, is this something I need to be doing? Because that first sexual experience sets the tone for the rest of your life. And if you live to 60, 70, 80, 90, if you mess it up that first time around, you can't really take it back. It should be with someone you care about. I'm a little old-fashioned now, right?